I love working and owning my shop because I enjoy working with customers. I get to work with my daughter. My technicians are great. We're really a family.
Working with my dad is amazing. I like that I can be a woman in an industry where it's mainly male-dominated. I think there's something to be said about a female working at the front of an auto repair shop.
Our customers come back because they learn to trust us. Davis Repair is all about integrity. We want to make sure that we are totally honest with the customer.
I love when customers come in and show me pictures of their grandchildren or tell me about trips that they've taken. So we get to really know our customers and build that relationship, and they do become family. Car repair is an unplanned expense, so we try and be sympathetic and work with you and your budget as best we can. At the same time, if there's a safety issue, we want you to do that repair so that you can continue to drive your vehicle.
I'm very proud of Davis Repair and the family that we've created here. I can't say enough about my crew and how we help the community. It's very gratifying.
Being family owned and operated, we have a lot of leeway to do things that take care of our customers at the end of the day and build a very honest and reputable shop. And that to me is the biggest reason that I continue to do this.